Hi everyone, today I'm going to be sharing with you a box for a boy 10 to 14 and it has a wolf theme. I am doing this in collaboration with my friend Sharon over at East Coast Stories. We are both doing wolf boxes and it's kind of a funny story because we did not at all have it planned to do wolf boxes. I was just talking to her and I happened to mention that I was going to be filming my wolf box. And she said, no way, I'm doing a wolf box too. So we were like, okay, let's do our wolf box together. So we didn't plan this, and it was just last minute that we realized we both were working on wolf boxes and had no idea. So that's how this collab happened. I'm just going to show you, we had purchased a muscle massager and the box was really nice. So we are just reusing this box. You can do that. And I'm just using duct tape to help secure it a little bit better. And I will cover this picture up when I send this shoebox off. All right, I will have Sharon's wolf box linked in the description box as well as at the end of this video. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what she packed in her wolf box because I have no idea. So I just decorated his lid with a pretty wolf picture. It's got kind of a wintry forest theme there. And then at the top of his box, he has a notebook here and it moves. It's like a holographic notebook and it says Canada. It has a moon and you can see the wolf's breath. So I hope he enjoys that. And I put a pen in the wire. There's lots of pages in here for him to use. All right, he has this little blue bag here. I think it's always fun to include little bags and things for them to look through because it makes the unboxing go longer for them. More surprises. All right, he has a whistle. And then he has a keepsake, a ring in here. And I just put a picture that it is a ring. It's like a silicone ring there in that little bag for him. All right, I'm gonna get this done out of the way because I hope I can do this right. He's got it's like a spin top. There we go. As you can see, it lights up and it spins. I picked that up a couple years ago, I think at Dollarama. But I think that'll be really fun for him to play with. And there's a lot of like gray, black, and blue in this with a little bit of green in his box. So he has a journal kit. I like to make journal kits. I have some videos on that, but I made him a journal kit using a wolf theme. So in here I put washi tape. Got that gray silver washi color, and then I just put sharpeners in the washi tape. This one I thought went nice because of the moon and stars. Goes nice with a wolf theme. And then a second sharpener in there. I've given him 2 glue sticks. These come from Staples. These are a nice brand of glue. A few crayons that he could use journaling if he would like. 2 notebooks. These have 24 pages. And what I have done is I've just given him a sample. I've used some washi tape and some wolf stickers. I put be courageous and then I created a pocket for him. And it says, do not be afraid, do not be discouraged, for the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. Joshua 1:9. And then I just put some tags in here. I put a wolf sticker on this one so he can use these. I know that boys like to journal as well. They like to write. I know some of the boys, their favorite item in their shoebox is like a journal book. So I thought this went nice with the wolf theme with the night sky. He's got a tag here. This has like a white wolf on it, howling. Some more. These are very easy. They're like a thin, translucent paper, easy to glue on. And then another picture of a wolf. I think this can be very therapeutic. Some snowflake stickers there. He's got it in a nice pouch. And then he's got a bunch of these skateboard stickers with wolves. All right, and then he's got a little hygiene kit here. I gave him this sticker that he could put up to hang his soap saver if he would like to. And then some soap. This soap came from Great Wolf Lodge. We took a vacation there, and these were free soaps from our cabin. I will put those in a Ziploc bag. And then he has a clipper and a nice compact mirror. I thought this looked very masculine. And then right underneath that hygiene kit, I put his toothbrush in there. I try to put the end of the toothbrush that goes in their mouth not underneath the soap, just in case the soap, you know, smell kind of gets on the toothbrush. So I just put the handle part underneath the soap. And then I gave him this car. I think it's like a 1988 Jeep. And I just thought it went nice with his box. All right, I have given him a pair of jeans, and I just put a little wolf sticker in the back pocket. These are size 14. I picked these up. They were $19 and I got them for $4.94. I thought these went nice with a wolf theme, and they seem to be very nice quality. I picked these up at our superstore for a good price. So he's got a nice pair of jeans. He also has a pick. And I'll pull out his friend here. This is what started my theme. Sometimes when you go on Amazon, you will find a random, like if you search stuffed animals on Amazon, they will have animals for like, some of them for 60 to 70% off, and that's what happened with this one. He was like 60% off from his original price, and it's Wild Republic brand. And in the tag it says, "Did you know adult wolves have 42 teeth compared to 32 teeth for adult humans?" And it says it in different languages. His paws they have beans in them, so it's a bit weighted. Very cute little gray wolf, and he can stand because of his weighted paws. He has a container here. Inside I gave him these transformer. They're like erasers, but they're posable. Their legs and arms can move, so he could play with these if he would like to, or just use them as like a little decoration in his room. But it's Optimus Prime and Soundwave. I'm actually a big fan of Transformers. And then I put this little squishy wolf. It's like a pencil top eraser. And then I had a little room, so I put in 2 pencil eraser tops, and I gave him a chapstick, and this chapstick is sealed all the way around. And then I gave him a Rubik's Cube. He has a nice hockey street ball. This is great quality. And then it was just easier for me to keep it in the packaging, but I gave him a protractor and compass. He has his colored pencils. And then his notebook, there was a sticker here and it had a sticky residue, so I just put this wolf sticker there. I think it goes pretty good with his notebook. I picked this up a while ago at Dollar Tree, and it says, "Adventure is out there." And then at the bottom, he has a extra large pencil pouch. He's got a good pair of Westcott scissors, a ruler. He has some Great Wolf Lodge pencils that we got when we were on vacation. and then some pre-sharpened pencils that I just put in a paper envelope to keep them from marking anything up. Pen and a solar-powered calculator with an eraser. And then he has a gray drawstring backpack. Inside, I gave him a pair of size 14 Hanes underwear. And then at the very bottom, I just put this picture here. I tore it. I thought it looked kind of nice with the teared edges. I just put that at the bottom. It's just got a little wintry scene and then a scene on the back as well. And I had to put a piece of duct tape here because there was a hole. And that is my shoebox for a boy 10 to 14. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope that you now go over and check out Sharon's shoebox if you haven't already. I cannot wait to go over there and look at her wolf box. So thanks again for watching, and I will talk to you later.